Hello! Welcome to my first cooking demo. Shrimp Sinigang. So, I hope you like it. It's a budget meal. So, we have shrimp. I think it's 1/4, 1/4. Or, I don't know. It's a garlic.
Oh, I forgot.
Garlic. This is not an onion. This is a garlic. Ginger and onion. So, yung iba, hindi nila nilalagyan ng garlic. So, depende din sa feel nyo kung anong feel nyo. Then, syempre, labanus. And, tangkong leaves. So, konti lang yung nalalagay ko kasi dalawa lang naman kaming kumakain. So, I hope you will enjoy it! We are going to start now. Now we are going to start to cook the sinigang na shrimp. A little lower. And this is our pot. This is a nice pot. This is from Hong Kong. This is a non-sticky, non-oily pan, but I love to put a little bit of oil. Heat lang natin yan. Tapos, we're going to put first the luya. Hintayin natin na maging mainit siya. Masarap kapag yung sinigang maraming luya kasi yung aroma niya tapos parang medyo maanghang. So, for me, kasi inuubo halos kami dito. So, we decided to cook sinigang. And after that, nakikita niyo na yung ano na. Steamer na siya. We're just going to do this a little bit. Yan, nalagay na natin yung konting garlic natin. Tapos yan, isi-stir lang natin ng kaonti. So, I know this is not advisable kasi steel siya. Dapat kasi, ng plastic or wood, yung ginagamit dito kasi baka makuha yung ano niya. Yun kasi yung nangyari sa isang sticky pan ko na binili ko. So, hintayin natin maging golden brown. Then, we are going to put the shrimp. Yung iba kasi, yung nilalagay na nila yung tubig. For me kasi, mas masarap kapag ginigisa siya. Para ma-absorb talaga yung ano niya. Yung taste, yung sabor ng ng shrimp, tsaka ng luya, tsaka ng onion. So, masarap yung ginigisa talaga. So, ayan, lagyan na natin yung onion. After that, lalagay na natin yung shrimp. Pwede nyo rin ma-lower nyo yung ayan, nakikita nyo. Yung ginagawa ko kapag nagsisinigang talaga ako, ilagay na natin yung lahat ng sahog dyan. So, ayan, lagay na natin. Tapos, lagyan natin, nagisa natin yung natira namin yung sinigang. Nung nagluto kami ng sinigang. Ilagay natin dito. Oh, parang ayaw lumabas ah. This is yung natira namin sinigang. So, pasensya na. Medyo magulo yung vicinity ng ano namin. Ayan, lumabas na din. Kasi masarap kapag nilalagyan mo na ng sinigang kapag nagigisa ka kasi na-absorb niyo yung ano, yung asim ng shrimp. So ako talaga I see to it kapag ano ako, well done talaga kasi yung dalawang anak ko very ano sila, mapili sa mga pagkain. Yung mga frozen, yung mga meat na mga hindi na cold. So yun, nagkakaroon sila ng mga allergy reaction sa body. So ayan, hintayin lang natin yung lumabas yung juice. So ayun, nilagyan na natin ng sinigang mix ng black pepper. We're going to put salt. I have here an iodized salt. Konti lang yung ilalagay natin dito. Huwag masyado kasi yung shrimp, medyo maalat na siya kasi from the sea naman siya. Ayan. Konti lang yung ilalagay natin. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng tubig. Very nice. Huwag masyadong marami kasi konti lang naman kami. Then, takpan natin siya. We are going to leave it about 3 to 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, 3 minutes pa lang pala. So, kikita nyo na nagbabubbles na siya. We're just going to do that. Tapos yan, we have our rabanose. Para ma-absorb ng rabanose yung ano ng shrimp. We are going to put the rabanose. Ayan. Yung iba, nilalagyan pa nila ng okra, ng talong, ng latoy. So kami, ito lang yung nilalagay namin kasi yung kasama ko, bawal din ng latoy kasi beans. Ayan. So, we will wait for another 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, ayan, kumukal na siya. We're going to stir a little bit. Tingnan natin. Oh no. Nagkaroon ng moist yung camera natin. So, we are going to put sinigang sa sampalok. Pasensya na, magulo yung mga kasama namin dito. Maraming bata. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo yung maasim na maasim, lagyan nyo, ubusin nyo yung isang pack ng ano. Tikman natin. Ayan siya. I-leave lang natin siya. Lagyan pa natin ulit ng konti. Sarap yung maraming maasim. Ayan. Stir lang natin siya. Yung ganyan. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan. So, malapit na siyang maluto. Ayan. Luto na yung rabanos natin. We are going to put the tangkong o kangkong. Here is yung konti lang yung nilalagay namin kasi dalawa lang naman kami. Freshly picked from our backyard. So we are going to wait for 3 minutes para maluto yung stem niya. So titikman natin if pasado yung budgeted sinigang shrimp natin. Okay? See you for 3 minutes. So, ito na yung finished product natin. Titikman natin sa ating judge if approve sa kanya yung sinigang na shrimp natin. Okay? So, nandito na tayo. Papatikman na natin kay Emre yung soup ng sinigang natin. It's so hot pa kaya. You have to do it. Oh, ate, you taste it, you taste it. How is it taste?
Yes, I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Is it yummy?
Yes. Oh, it's supposed to do it.
You like it?
Yes. I like shrimp, Mama.
Okay, we're going to eat the shrimp. So, kumain na natin. Huwag nang maarte.
Abo.
Papatignan na natin. Kita nyo, juicy yung shrimp. Kasi yung iba, kapag na-overcook siya, yung skin ng shrimp, ang mahirap na kunin. So, okay, ate. Is it yummy? You like it? You can finish it. And you tell them. You like the shrimp?
Yes.
Very much? She likes the shrimp. Sige yung sabaw naman natin. Yummy?
Hot.
Is it hot? Ito naman yung rabanos natin. Kaya niliitan ko yung cut
I like
ng
ice cream, Mama. I
ng-
like
Yes,
sweet.
ate. Niliitan ko yung rabanos natin kasi para madali siyang maluto. Sana may nakuha kayong tips kung paano magluto ng budgeted na sinigang na shrimp. So that's for now. I hope you like my channels and click subscribe down there. And don't forget to leave some comments. Bye-bye! You say bye-bye to them.
Bye.